ọma na-ege ntị. My name is Nwaada Amala, onye nkuzi Igbo, your Igbo teacher. Today, we will learn the Igbo words and the pronunciation of the names of animals. Animals are referred to as anụmanụ in Igbo. Domestic animals are referred to as anụ ụlọ, which translates to house animals. Wild animals are referred to as anụ ọfịa, which translates to forest animal. We will go ahead to learn the names of animals in Igbo. Chicken is called ọkụkọ in Igbo language. Dog, nkịta. Cat, busu. Sheep, atụrụ. Pigs, ezi. Goat, ewu. Duck, ọbọgwụ. Cow, efi. Horse, ịnyịnya. Camel, ịnyịnya ibu. Pigeon, nduru. Rabbit, oke oyibo. Owl, ikwiikwii. Lion, ọdụm. Leopard, agụ. Tiger, agụ owuru. Antelope, ele. Rat, oke. Squirrel, ọsa. Frog, mbara. Snake, agwọ. Elephant, enyi. Lizard, ngwere. Snail, ejuna. Cheetah, agụ awara. Monkey, enwe. Deer, mgbada. Chimpanzee, adaka. Turkey, tolotolo. Hawk, egbe. Chick, uriom. Guinea fowl, ọgazị. Bat, ụsụ. Goose, ọkwa. Vulture, udele. Eagle, ugo. Kite, nkwọ. Gorilla, ọzọdịmgba. Ostrich, enyi nnụnụ, and many others. This brings us to the end of this lesson on the names of animals. See you in the next episode where we'll be talking about Igbo names and meaning. Cordino, see you again.